Yo, what's up? Oop, I hit my microphone. Lord have mercy. Okay, what's up, Gems? Jillian from Gem Naturals here, and today we are starting the new series, which I don't know what to call it yet. I was thinking maybe like Ask Jim or Ask Jill. I don't know. I'm about to film these in bulk, so just know that like if we decide on something, you won't see it for a little bit. But yeah, let me know what you think I should call this. This is a series where I am encouraging my subscribers to head over to my Instagram and DM me a question. It could be about their natural hair, my career in acting, editing, any technical questions you got, you can ask and I will answer it on this channel. So without further ado, let's jump into our first question. Yo, come on iPhone. Okay. I promise you, I went from 20s to like 70s, because next thing I know, I'm gonna be looking at it like. First question comes from Tasky, and before we jump into her question, I just have to shout her out because, listen, her Instagram page, she inspires entrepreneurs with marketing and all these other good things, and listen, I think that she is a fantastic person to follow if that is something that you're interested in. So shout out to her just for being dope alone. And to get to her question, she asks, what actors/actress inspires the career path that you want to take? And I love that question so much, and I'm so glad that that was a question to kind of kickstart this series. Is honestly, I had to think about this for a little bit because at first it was Sanaa Lathan. Like, Sanaa Lathan is like my favorite actress ever. I don't know exactly what it is about her, but you put Sanaa Lathan in anything, I'm going to watch it. But then I thought a little bit further on it because of the pivot that I took with my career. It's not so acting based anymore, and it's kind of become like creating my own. And then it hit me where I was like, oh, duh, Issa Rae. You know, when you think about Issa Rae, and I didn't even realize it until she asked this question, Issa Rae started off on YouTube. Like, I remember stumbling across one of her episodes with Awkward Black Girl, and I was just like, did someone say my name? Awkward Black Girl? This is me. So, you know, I was already hip to Issa before, you know, she got everything with HBO, and I loved her content then. And of course, I love it now. You know, I damn near stan Issa Rae, but like, I realized that that is something that inspires me, just to be able to kind of create my own thing and to not have to knock on other people's doors and try to convince them that I'm right for something. That was a regular occurrence when I went on auditions. I just always felt like I didn't quite fit, like my physical essence didn't quite fit the role that I was going out for. So it was always kind of like, all right, you know, I'm gonna go in here, book the room as they call it, which is basically just like kill that audition, kill that scene, that role, you know, so the people in that room knows you're a good actor. So I was focused on doing that, but I was doing that so much to the point where I'm just like, y'all, these roles don't even really make sense. Like, you know, and I'll be honest, you know, I gotta put it out there, I could have just had a bad read. I could have just not been right for it. The casting directors could have just hated me. They could have just hated my performances. Well, you know, let's be fair. Y'all know me, I always like to be fair. But I have faith in my skill or whatever. But going off tangent, but my biggest thing now is just to create what I want to see. So I'm creating a space where I am learning all of these different things, where I'm able to write content that makes sense for me. I'm able to write content that is cathartic, just all of these great things that I've just really been inspired to tell stories. Because at one point in time, I thought that acting was my passion, and I love acting, but I actually realized that storytelling is my passion in life, and telling stories and impacting people and influencing them in a positive way, encouraging them, inspiring them, is just something that just lights a fire within me, just because it was what I needed when I was struggling. So I think that is probably why my videos, why my content is really close to my heart, and I'm a little sensitive about my shit. And I hope that it resonates on a deeper level, and it's not just consuming content. I blabbed enough about all of that. Thank you, Tasky, once again for asking that awesome question. So if you would like to submit a question, feel free to hop over to my Instagram, DM me a question, and I will answer it in an upcoming video. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace. I forgot to hit record. I forgot to hit record on my microphone. I forgot to hit record on my microphone. This is why I need a crew.